milk. Milk shots. Okay. Oh, sorry. The low-fat milk, the full cream milk. Actually, the milk more to Dutch lady. £7. So the cheaper 26, 27. Okay, I'll get the other Dutch lady from outside later. Oh, I need honey. Which pure honey. Okay, I get a pure honey. How much is that? Which is a better deal? I need to get something more value for money. Honey from Australia would be nice. It's 22. 375. Squeeze pure 14 ringgit. I think this is more worth it. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. It's probably more worth it. Okay, this is very worth it actually. Wait, this pure honey. See how I do. Okay, so this pure honey. CED. Oh, this one. This one is the pure honey. Authentic. Oh, this is a Malaysian honey. Why not, right? Let's give it a try. Okay, let's try this pure Malaysian honey. Wildflower, multifloral nectar. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I got honey, then I need to get oats. Where's oats? Oats is behind me. Here are the oats. And then after I can get another milk. Okay, I just need to grab one more oats. Oh, the oats here is so much cheaper, isn't it? Actually, the oats here is really so much cheaper. Okay, instant oats, just add hot water. Yeah, I'm looking for this. Okay, so just add hot water. Let's just grab this. Yeah. Let's just grab this. I'm getting the oats. Okay. I prefer to get from the second one. Of course, please put properly because tendency the first row, right, it will drop and it always drop. So that's why. Okay. I'm done. Okay, now I'm going out. Oh yeah, I need to get some yogurt, see lah. I need to get some yogurt. These are the yogurt drink. Yogurt drink tends to be quite sweet. It's only